सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर।
सुपर
बहुत बढ़िया अमित जी, इसको फॉरवर्ड करो व्हाट्सएप पे हम सभी को।
हाँ, मैंने कल ही इतने सारे नेगेटिव मैसेज में एक मेरे को पॉजिटिव सा लगा, तो आई थॉट आई विल शेयर विद द ग्रुप।
इसको हम सबको फॉरवर्ड करो, इट्स रियली वेरी गुड एक्चुअली। पुरानी यादें ये पहले भी बचपन में सुनी स्कूलों के दिन, बट ये इट इज वेरी टाइमली नाउ।
गुड मॉर्निंग टीम।
गुड मॉर्निंग हयर जी, हाउ आर यू?
Morning.
Great morning. And all the best, Dipti.
Yeah, we're looking forward to
Thank you. Good morning.
Great session today. Yeah. And she's been working late nights yesterday, so
daily it's
yeah.
But you should all help me how to present. Actually, I'm using iPad.
Yeah. I saw the presentation. You have nicely covered the things. There's only one part in there, but that's okay.
Okay.
So whatever you say, we'll listen first.
You have no option. You have to listen to me today.
Amit, we have a very.
I will tell you one thing before anyone talks something. We can all tell.
We can't hear you, Dipti. You went on mute, or you're not.
I want to give a positive affirmation. We all will say, I choose not to participate in the collective fear. We all will say this to ourselves today morning. I choose not to participate in the collective fear.
In the collective fear.
Everyone can tell this 3 times. I choose not to participate in the collective fear.
I choose not to participate in the collective fear.
Instead, I will send peace. Instead, I will send peace and healing to me and all.
Instead, I will send peace and healing
to me and all. So I have shared the image.
Please share in the group, Dipti. Share in the group.
I shared in the group already. Atalji, can you display that so that everyone will tell 3 times to themselves this affirmation? Because that's what matters, our cells and immunity. There's a lot everywhere.
Amit ji?
Yeah, we'll start.
It is 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 8 o'clock. We'll start the meeting officially. So, by the way, those who are looking at me and thinking I'm Atul Puri, by the way, I'm not Atul Puri. So, I'm Amit Chawla. Atul is not well. So, he asked me to start this call. All right. So, good morning, friends. Please make yourself comfortable and we'll be beginning soon. Keep yourself on mute, everyone. And as the time comes, then you please unmute. So, my name is Amit Chawla and I welcome you all to Inner Circle meeting today. By profession, I am business clarity coach. And as president, my responsibility is to provide leadership and vision for Inner Circle. Let me start with introducing the leadership team of Inner Circle. Along with me, I have Mr. Anand Pol as vice president of Inner Circle. Both of us are successful business people, and we have taken up this accountability to contribute to the growth of Inner Circle. Please feel free to reach out to us in case something is not working out or you have any feedback to make things better. I invite Mr. Anand Pol to take us through the details of today's meeting. Mr. Anand Pol.
Yeah, thank you, Amit ji. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
There should be a very loud good morning, everybody.
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good. Thank you. So, we are just going through the Inner Circle proceedings. I'm just going to brief you. 1 minute. Yeah, my name Anand Pol. I'm based out of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I'm having almost 40 years of the industrial experience and 4 years of the experience as a Secretary General with the Industry Chamber. I'm a coach, I'm a trainer, and I was a part of the change management team also. I'm a functional expert in the ERP functional mapping systems. This is all about me. Now we'll go further. Now, let me take you through this meeting, how it is going to be. What are the proceedings of this meeting? So that is the purpose of the inner circle. Introduction to the leadership team. First, we'll invite our guests to introduce themselves. We'll give them 45 to 60 seconds to introduce themselves. Then we'll have a round of introduction of the members. As a member, you will get about 90 seconds to share. Next, we'll have 15 minutes action session. So Amit ji will explain what action session we are talking about. As a member, you will get 90 seconds. Next, we'll have 15 minutes action. Then we'll have 30 minutes of create session, which Dipti is going to give today. Then she will talk about her business. This presentation includes one challenge in depth. After that, we open 15 minutes of gratitude and networking session. You'll get an opportunity to express gratitude and network with fellow members. And we'll complete the formal session by 9:30 or so. In last couple of weeks, we have started focusing on the industry body concern. It's a industry body needs to be connected to the inner circle. So we had a very good session of Mr. Sunil Raithata, MD of Vinodra Engineers Private Limited, Jalna, which is very close to Aurangabad. And it was a very great session. It was liked by many people, and we are going to continue these kind of industry connect sessions in coming time. And I'm sure that will give a boost to the e-growth connects also. I think Dipti had already experienced it. And then now we'll have an introduction to the inner circle. So I'll take you through the slide. Amit ji, can you just share it on the screen? Yeah. Just a minute.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm opening my PowerPoint also.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Huh? So preamble, inner circle is a power networking structure consisting of hand-picked entrepreneurs who met regularly to build business. The basic 5 core elements are exchange of opportunities, problem solving, knowledge sharing, valued contacts, expand industry connect. Now, we always take a promise. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
you're
please.
audible.
Yeah. See, I'll take my name and then everybody will take their own name. And then you have to repeat. The members, those who have joined, including the guests, they will repeat it. I, Anand Paul,
I,
Amit Chawla,
am passionate about
am passionate
about
being in action and being innovative
being in
being in action and being innovative
being innovative
and being generous also.
and being
generous
generous.
also.
Responsibility at all times.
I take responsibility at all times.
I
Take
take
responsibility at all
at all times.
I'm committed to sustainable business.
I'm committed to sustainable business.
In my space,
In my space,
space,
business experience,
business experience,
exponential growth,
exponential growth,
and inner circle
and inner circle
continues to evolve as a structured ecosystem.
all as a structured ecosystem.
It is my promise.
It is my
my
promise.
promise.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Now, what is eGrowth? So eGrowth has its own app also, which talks about or which gives information about the business directory, buy and sell wall, then person-to-person chat, discussion forum, and then the business listing.
नोटबुक
Now, this is the leadership team.
आने के लिए दुकान से ले आया है क्या? पूछो फिर से एक कॉपी.
Hello.
Can others please go on mute, please?
It's a it's a leadership team. Mr. Atul Puri, Mr. Amit Chawla is the president, myself vice president, Mr. Harir Sharma ji, Mr. Virendra Ingle ji, Mr. Manish Kumar ji, Mr. Mithilesh Jha sir, Mr. Rajesh Pandit, Mr. Satyen Gupta, Mr. Sukhdeep Malviya ji, Mr. Vijay Ji Shah, Mr. Yogesh Wadhwani ji, and Mr. Shripad Kulkarni. This is the leadership team, and this is the introduction. I think Amit ji, since Atul is not there, shall we skip this? You're on mute.
You're able to see the slides?
Yeah, I'm able to see the slides.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So shall we continue or shall we skip
Yeah.
this?
We'll continue to the introduction part, how to do this introduction.
So it is Mr. Atul Puri, who is the founder director and EBN Learning Private Limited. His contact number and mail ID is shared here.
Sorry, I think you're looking at the old presentation. The one which is displayed is the one, the latest one.
I'll just check it. Yeah, okay.
So you can just tell about the introduction, how it will happen, then give it to me, then I'll.
Okay, I'm just taking that. So introduction, what is expected is your name, your profession and business name, your core service and benefits, and your ask. What exactly is you're asking for? For the inner circle member, please share the following in your introduction: your name, your profession and business name, your core service and benefit, your ask, number of H2H done, that is individual talk which we had committed last meeting, and then the number of references given and amount of business given, if any.
Yeah. So let me take over from there. Thank you, everyone. And we'll start the introduction. The introductions will start with the guest first. And like Mr. Anand mentioned, the format has been shared here. Please make a note of it, what all needs to be covered. And please make it very concise. In 60 seconds, everybody has to give their introduction. But make sure your ask is with, you have to give ask with clarity, okay? So, and you can take a screenshot of these things. In the ask, when you are going to look at it, you have to put the role, the type of person that you want to connect with, name of the person if you know, company name or type or the like, which type of company you want to connect with, and the size of the company if you can give an indication to it, and location, India, abroad, whatever, and some pain areas, right? That has to be put across. So make sure your ask is given with clarity in your introduction, which will also be required to put in the chat box. As an example, I just showed my example. You can take a screenshot of it. That, you know, when I'm saying my ask, it is about founders, CEOs of, looking at company type is software companies and services company, and company size is 50 plus employees, INR 10 CR, location India, pain area stagnant for 2-3 years, all ready for next level of growth. And so my ask would become, like the bottom line statement is written there, is that I'm looking for founders of software and services company with 50 plus employees and 10 CR plus revenue in India, that is either stagnant for 2-3 years or ready for next level growth. So please use that kind of a format when you are going to share your ask. Okay. I'm going to take a screenshot of this and be ready for your introductions. And we'll be starting with a batch of 3. We'll start with a batch of 3, starting with the guest. All right. Okay. So let me start with Sridevi, Nilesh, and Ms. Komla. Sridevi.
Hi, my name is Sridevi and I'm a chartered accountant. We recently started a group called Srinija, where we want to have a stress busters team who are doing a production in the manufacturing unit. We are not yet started, we are yet to start this business. And our ask is, what are your thoughts on our business?
Okay, great. Thanks, Sridevi. What you need to do is go on the chat box, give your name, your company, profession, or whatever you're doing, and your phone number. Please put your phone number and then your ask. these 4 things, please put in the chat box. It's very important to put the phone number, because if we have to connect with you, we'll use that phone number to connect with you. Okay,
Sure,
please type in
definitely.
the chat box. Right.
Done. I did.
Thank you. We'll go to Nilesh next. Nilesh.
Thank you. My name is Nilesh Surana. I am a lean consultant, and I am a member of Global Transformation Team, which is working in the 9 countries right now. And my business name is Benchmark Consultancy and NVA Lean Implementer Private Limited. We are in the Lean Management Consultancy. We are having office in Aurangabad and New Delhi, 2 places. My specific ask is to connect with the small and medium scale enterprises. Specific is small enterprises, so that we can reduce the losses and increase their profits. Thank you.
Beautiful. Please put in the chat box your name, phone number and profession, and your ask with clarity, please. Komala ma'am, your turn.
Hi, good morning. मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगी. मेरा नाम कोमला है. मैं 30 years experience expert in professional beautician. Now I am 5 years से मैं वेनिका हर्बल hair care product manufacturing sector small unit है मेरा, Hyderabad from Malkajgiri. So this model hair oil, hair care, anti-hair fall, anti-dandruff. So one manufacturing है. I am cosmetologist, Ayurvedic specialist, and Ayush license, and lot of people को मैं coaching दिए थे beauty में. अभी ये brand हमारा whole family का है. हमारा husband administration करते. मेरा son Ihmadeep Mohan also vice president in other company. He was a director. I'm only manufacturing in company. Thank you so much.
What will be your ask? What will be your ask, ma'am? Can you share your ask? आपको क्या चाहिए इस group से?
मुझे finally actually this is a marketing sector होना है मेरे को. Last अभी पूरा हो गया, ये पूरा कर दिए. अभी final market में launch होने का है. मैडम दीप्ति मैडम हर मार्केट में and introduce कर देते, and my spiritual उसमें भी 21 years से मैं.
So you need marketing help basically, right?
Exactly.
So please आप इसमें chat box में लिख देंगे जो आपका ask है, और आपका phone number जरूर डाल दीजिए please.
Sure.
Viren could be a good connect for you, Viren, to help her out. Next batch of 3 is Mr. Nagappa and Shrindan Bhalerao and Mr. Rafi Mohammed. He was there earlier. Okay, we'll see. Mr. Nagappa, please start.
Yes, good morning to everybody. My name is Nagappa Malleshi, but we can record it as Dr. N.G. Malleshi. I am a food scientist. Some good soul has suggested me to join this team, but sir, I feel I am out of this thing here, because I am not an industrialist. I am a retired food scientist. My core competency is food processing, cereal processing, and product development. And post-retirement, I am helping some food industries for new product development, as well as in their routine production and marketing and other kinds of things. So this is all, sir, I want to tell.
Very nice. No, you are very relevant here. There are a lot of people who have retired and above 60 years who are sitting. So you are in the right place. What is your ask, sir? Can you put your ask? What do you need from this group?
No, from inner circle, I can only help if somebody needs since I'm retired, I'm a pensioner, I feel I can help the industry. That's all. I have nothing to ask for the senior will, sir.
He's a giver. He's a giver.
Yeah, please put in the chat box what you can give. That would be nice of you, sir. Mishra ji, आपकी तरह हैं, right? Mishra ji, आपकी तरह हैं ये.
He's a very useful connect for me.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Mr. Bhalerao, your turn next.
Yeah, good morning, Inner Circle friends. I'm extremely happy and delighted to announce we are launching our new company, Moria Structures Private Limited. With the core values of authenticity, integrity, transparency, and quality, we will take our core competency, that is project management, consultancy, and civil contracting. My other businesses, Moria Sales, we are authorized distributors for MAPE and Fosroc construction chemicals. Dreamshield Technologies Private Limited, we are turnkey waterproofing contractors. And last but not the least, Art and You, most important with regards to inner circle. We are manufacturers of craft kits in partnership with our member Sonali Joshi. Thank you. This is Srinandan Bhalerao, Director, Moria Structures Private Limited. My ask is to connect to technical department of Hosmac India Private Limited, who are in healthcare consultancy sector, if I would get to connect there. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Please put in the chat box your ask and your phone number. Anybody knows what he's asking for, please connect offline. Next is Mr. Rafi Mohammed. Very nice name, sir. Very nice name.
Namaste. I'm Rafi. I invited by Mr. Deepthi Reddy. I'm a mechanical engineer from IIT Madras. I work for the German MNC as a manager for the new technology development. I plan to start my industry for engineering services. That is my wish. In later meeting, I'll tell what I want to do it. This first meeting for me. Sorry, I'm not prepared for this.
Okay.
Nice day, everybody.
Thank you. Welcome.
Welcome. Your ask, what type of people you want to connect with? Do you have clarity of that right now?
Yeah, I want to connect to the industry where all mechanical components works.
Okay. Okay.
I want to provide new services.
Yeah. Okay. Please put in the chat box your name, profession, and your phone number. Make sure phone number is there. Otherwise, people will not be able to connect.
Sure.
And your ask. Okay.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.
All right. Next batch of 3 is Mr. Prabhakar, Ganga, and Vijay Lakshmi. Mr. Prabhakar. You're on mute. We'll go to Ganga Bhavani till Prabhakar comes back. Ganga Bhavani.
Hello, hello all. This is Ganga Bhavani. I'm working as HR manager for Pixel Studios. As my friend Sri Devi spoke, I'm also representing the same Srinija. We are planning to provide a stress remedy solution to workers who work in factories 24/7. As already illustrated by her, we are looking for connections to manufacturing unit to introduce our small idea, which is we are yet to introduce. It's not even started yet, so we are just in a planning process.
Okay, good. Thank you. Please share your ask and your number and your profession in the chat box. Next is Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi, please unmute. You're on mute. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Very good morning to all. My name is Vijay Lakshmi, and I'm invited to this group by Deepthi Reddy. I'm into cow dung based products manufacturing. I'm started it recently, maybe 6 months to 1 year old. And my ask is how to give it a industry status, because my main problem is the manufacturing and product cost and the price in the market. There is no relation in between these things. If I want to give to the shops, they are asking for almost 50% of my cost to sell it in their shops, which I can't. So I'm looking for any suggestions and advice in this regard.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, put the details in the chat box,
sure.
Please.
Sure.
I think I've covered most. Is there any other guest which is left out? Any guests who have not shared? Everybody has shared. So if everyone has done, then we'll go to the members. So the batch we have is of 3. It would be Rajesh Buddhiraja, Deepthi, and Ravindra Mishra.
Good morning, everyone. This is Rajesh Buddhiraja. I live in New Delhi. Good to see another IITian as a guest today. I'm Mohammed. I'm from IIT Kharagpur. 1976, I passed out. I've been in the corporate world for about 42 years in companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd, and RCS Group. In 2018, I've founded a platform called ZS India. It's a technical knowledge platform where I have about 7 to 8 experts from the industry in areas like air conditioning, natural ventilation, automation and control, wastewater management, and dust and fume extraction, which are actual challenges of the industry. And we offer our support and our helping hand to the industry to optimize their operations. That in today's times of COVID, when people would reopen, they would need to optimize their operations. So we can help them to, their processes we can optimize, we can conserve and save energy. My give is any connect, if you want, with the automobile industry in and around the NCR of Delhi. I know most of the CEOs of these companies. And my ask is to connect me to mid to large size manufacturing industries in any segment, whether it's chemical, steel, etc., who are looking to optimize their operations so that we can help them. Thank you. I have 2 sons, both are software specialists, and I have a wife who's a professional professional health coach. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Please put your details in the chat box, Rajesh, and we'll go to Deepti. Please keep it to 60 seconds max. You'll get a chance to speak for yourself a lot. Okay.
Yeah, today is my turn. So anyway, I'm Deepti. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I'm agriculture by academics. I run prominently 2 private limited companies. One is Vidya Eco Living, where we deal with number of agri and eco startups. So OG Natural Foods is one startup where we deal with natural supply chain company, that which I'm going to tell in detail today in my session. And I also run an association called WEAIM, Women Energy Association of Incubators in Manufacturing, whose sister concern is Her Market. It means we support women manufacturers reaching out to new markets through social commerce and all. So this is my brief introduction. So my ask is connect me to people who can absorb our supply chain, in the sense natural food in bulk, natural food requirements in bulk. That is my personal business ask. Thank you. My personal give is, I will also post in the chat. We can connect, we can give a lot of value addition to women manufacturers. So anyone in your circle, women manufacturers needing strategic advisory, incubation, and market linkages, we are there for them, like especially SME sector, MSME sector. So that is what I can give. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Mishra, you're on mute.
Good morning, everybody. I am R.K. Mishra, Ravindra Mishra, as it is pronounced, ex-government employee of having experience 35 years. Thereafter, for last 5 years, I am working as a CEO of SAM Corporate Advisors, which is located at Delhi, and we are in telecommunication sector. All the verticals of telecommunication we are assisting to telcos. So any company, middle, large, want to enter into telecom sector, we assist them, including the FDI they want to bring. And second, we audit their telecom companies to support them whether they are all following the license guideline, regulatory norms. We are assisting them in regulatory compliances. Thank you. And my give is, if anybody is interested in any central government in Delhi or anywhere else, any help, anywhere they find that they are stuck up, we can assist. And my ask is connect me to any telco who is interested to get into telecom business. Who has already entered, we know most of them, but who wants to enter in telecom.
Thank you. Put these details in the chat box. Deepti, you should connect with Mr. Mishra if you want some government connects. Okay. Next batch of 3 would be Viren, Sonali, and Manish. Viren?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. My name is Virendra, and I'm a founder and director of Velocity Accelerator Private Limited. I'm a business coach, retail franchisee coach, and sales and distribution consultant. Before entering into business, I have worked for 20 years for corporates, and now I'm helping entrepreneurs into one-to-one coaching, specifically in the area of business consulting and retail franchise rollouts. My ask will be a connect with business owners, those who are aspiring to grow their business multifold, and my give will be 30 minutes connect to address their business challenges. As far as H2H is concerned, I have done 2 H2H, but with the eGrowth members, but not from the IC members, from regular members. The references given and the amount of business generated is nil. Thank you.
Sonali.
Yes. Friends, I'm Sonali Joshi. I'm a professional artist and art therapist. My firm's name is Art and You. Art and You, expressions of happy minds. Happiness as a core behind all the activities. We provide a strong platform for all your happy expressions through different art activities. Further, next step ahead, we introduce ourselves as a manufacturer of theme-based craft kits, kids and kits, which are developed through personal research of art therapy, in which process from making the art activity till using it is more focused on the emotional expression of happiness of kids. These craft kits are designed for age group 3 to 11 years, and my specific ask is dealers and distributors in toy sector and numbers of toy shop owners. Thank you so much. This is Sonali Joshi for Art and You, Expressions of Happy Minds.
Thank you, Sonali. I'll put in the chat box the details. Manish, our C positive, the C positive IC member, inner circle member. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Myself, Manish. By profession, I'm chartered accountant, and I am a business and tax consultant. I'm providing the tax consultancy to run your business smoothly day-to-day life. My main motive is to run your business from one generation to another generation through will and succession planning. My ask is a company who has the turnover more than 25 crore and having ownership issue, or they are interested for the succession planning for the next generation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please put the details. Next batch of 3 would be Mr. Harihar, Dharmishta, and Rajesh Pandit. We start with Harihar ji.
Good morning, friends. My name is Harihar Sharma. I represent my firm called as Bhavani Shankar Impacts, and my brand is called as Handyman Multigrain Pops. We are into a healthy snacking sector. So what do? Is we have multiple grains like rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, nasuni, oats, flaxseed, and til. इसको हम bake करते हैं 270 degrees temperature में, and we form a pop. Our pops are zero oil, zero sugar, zero cholesterol, zero trans fat, zero preservatives. Healthy snacks with 5 calories per serving, 6 months shelf life. What I seek today from the inner circle member is connects across the retail segment, like for example, Reliance Retail. If you could connect me to the head of the buying head for the Western region, I would be more than happy. My specific thing is that I would like to mention is that I could do my H2H with Deepti in this last 1 week. We had a done deal of also 2,700 rupees, which is just a tip of the iceberg. In fact, we are looking at how we can collaborate together to work on our competencies together. Thank you. Signing off, Harihar Sharma from Inner Circle, Nasik.
Thank you. Dharmishta.
Hello. How are you all doing this morning? Keep smiling as always. This is Dharmishta Shah, brand name DBS from Mumbai. Services span world now. Can you see a gleam on my face? You know, why is it? I lead a community group that's Mullen Smart Mommies. And today we are starting the 25th WhatsApp group, and there is no looking back now. Having said that, I love networking, and having contributed even to the growth of e-growth? Yes, that's me, Dharmishta Shah. I help people get freedom of time as well as money by ensuring that they take the business to the next level. Financial growth as in insurance, mutual fund, mediclaim, wills, alternate and passive income. That's it from me. Connect for more details. Married to a money multiplier, that's CA Pradeep, blessed with 2 moms at home, mother to a 15-year-old teen. Do remember Dharmishta Shah, leading financial advisor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, my ask is CA and lawyers pan India. I am sorry.
Put in the
I
chat
got
box,
too
please.
excited.
Yeah. So yeah, Rajesh Pandit, how are you?
Improving, yes. So there's an improvement. So good improvement is there. Yeah.
Okay.
First for last 15-16 hours, so no fever and body ache. Yeah.
Good. Cool.
Okay. So good morning everyone. I'm Rajesh. I'm founder director of Amicus Infotech Private Limited. We offer web as well as mobile based solutions and have been users in around 130 countries globally and in all major cities and small cities in India. Have more than 500 projects to our credit and have products like CRM, LMS or e-commerce. And one of our products is Salesforce Automation, which helps companies to take complete control on their field activities, right from the attendance, meetings, or sales. I'll like you to connect me to companies, small companies, so which are digital or software companies, preferably outside India, so who can outsource the software development to us. So we already, even in India, we are preferred partners of KPMG, so who outsource their entire software development of one of the sectors, energy sectors, to us. So we'll prefer to work with these companies.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next batch of 3 would be Satyaji, Vijay and Anand Pol.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I'm Satya Gupta, a social entrepreneur from New Delhi. I have 42 years experience. Out of this, first 25 years were with public sector, state governments and central governments. Then I moved to the corporate for about 10 years. And last 7 years, I become first a entrepreneur. And from last year, I become a social entrepreneur. The enterprise which I will be representing here is called DigiGaon Job Factory Foundation, converting unemployment into entrepreneurship. Basically, it is nicknamed as Udyami Bahu. And we are empowering the married women in villages to become them gainfully employed or entrepreneur under the government scheme of VLE, village level entrepreneur, by making use of the latest government scheme called PM Wani, Pradhan Mantri Wi-Fi Access Network Interface, where we as DigiGaon Foundation have registered ourselves as a PDO aggregator, and our reach will be throughout the country. In our last S2S, actually, courtesy Amitji at Clive Hive, we could present our concept to some other outfit which is called Field Forces, which is creating opportunities for the retired soldiers who are settled in their villages, and they will also be used hopefully here. And thanks, Amitji. My ask to this group basically is to connect me to the CSR heads of your own company, your own startup, your network, your connects, actually CSR, because this DigiGaon Foundation, which is a social enterprise, is looking for some funding through crowdsourcing, including the CSR funding. Actually, we are registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs as well as Income Tax Authority for recipient of the CSR funds, and also a project executing approved body for the CSR projects. And this project which we have actually is, you can say, qualified for CSR funds. As far as my give is concerned, actually that is also related. Actually, I have in the last meeting, as I mentioned, I have clubbed my give and ask, and I call it asking by giving actually. So I have put my book actually, which is the theory behind the startup called Long Tail, walking the extra mile on the rural broadband business, which is a research-based study which I did 2 years back, and a lot of these are becoming a reality now. PM Vani was advocated there, which have become a reality actually, where we wanted to convert PCO type of people, public call office type of people, to the Wi-Fi operator, PDO, public data office, and it has become a reality and up and running, and my own social enterprise is registered, as I mentioned. So this book is being offered to all of you and your next to be downloaded from our website called digigaonfoundation.com. So what we give in the process is the hard copy of this book, and also you become patron of our DigiGaon Foundation automatically. And you can be satisfied.
Can we do it faster, please?
Yes. So it is over actually. So you can be basically have the pleasure of contributing to the charity. So I'll be putting my website link on the website. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Vijay Shah, please do it in 60 seconds.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. This is Vijayesh. Primarily, we are in the field of safety, insurance, energy, and latest being citizen rights and rights of the consumer also. We all, whole world is suffering from the corona, and more than 8 billion people are having the issue. The recent outfit that we are providing solutions for the immunity from the corona at the global level at the social field. In the field of insurance, we are offering all the safety solutions for designing the customized policy to the claim settlement. Next thing is the energy healing and energy boosting thing. Since you are the part of the inner circle, you should know about your inner energy part. Whatever is inside will come out outside. So identify your energy through numbers, astrology, numerology, and Vastu. If things are not balanced, everything is getting disturbed. So we are the expert in providing solutions. Thank you very much. And please download the complimentary books from our website. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Mr. Anand Paul.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. Myself, Anand Paul, based out of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Having 42 years of the industrial experience, worked in different capacities. My core competency is there in coaching and training and a functional mapping of the ERP system, maybe SAP, maybe Oracle, maybe Microsoft Navision. And my ask is to get me connected to the people, those who are interested in studying their processes and confirming whether the functional mapping has been done properly or not. And or otherwise, those who want to really go for the new ERP systems in their business. I was connected with the industry chamber also. Because of that, I have a very good connect in this region of Marathwada, Maharashtra. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I think we have one more guest. I saw Mr. Jitender. Can you please introduce yourself in 45 seconds and share your ask also, sir?
Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Jitendra Joshi. I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. And I am into consulting, basically product development consulting. And working pan-India and global project also. And I am looking, I have created a game of using the Lean management system. We are creating EDP, entrepreneurship activity for using our talents basically, and unutilized talents. We are creating and targeting 1 crore people youth. They will be generating minimum $1,000 per month. In the corona crisis, people are unemployed, and we are creating an innovative idea of creating self-employment through their through their own resources. So that is the shortest introduction, and if you give time, we will continue it further in a later time. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, so I think everybody's covered except me. So let me introduce myself. There's somebody from Women Energy Association. Who's that? Probably.
No,
I don't
it's
know.
mine only. Just
Okay, yours. Okay. All right. So my introduction. So I'm Amit Chawla. I'm a business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate leadership experience in the software industry. A Josh Talk speaker and author of Amazon bestseller book, The Clarity First. I coach entrepreneurs and business owners in attracting high-paying customers and creating high-performing team that will accelerate their growth. And I do this through my personalized clarity coaching sessions from my office called Clarity Hive in Gurgaon or over Zoom nowadays. In the last 3 weeks, I had 6 H2H, which is one-to-ones with Satyaji, CA Manish, Rajesh Pandit, Viren, Dr. Sanjay Mithlesha, and I got 1 referral from Rajesh Pandit, Mr. JB Yadav, and I gave 1 referral to Satyaji, about which he talked about Colonel Sunil Prem, and we met at our office to take things forward. My ask is founders of software companies that are into digital transformation with 50+ employees and 10 CR plus revenue in India. Thank you so much. Anyone I have left out as far as intros are concerned? Everyone is done, right? Okay. All right, Anandji, we can move to the action session now.
Yeah, better.
Okay. All right. So the action session, the intent of this action session is to perform live actions to generate business for each other. And what I want to do today is to generate this action. What we do is have a fixed time for our H2H, which is one-to-ones to be fixed with each other. What I want to do is have in next 7 to 8 minutes, it's like a free flow, fix up time with each other to have your one-to-one sessions. All right. And with the guest also. And everybody's number is given. And you know the drill, what has to be done. Because we have a lot of guests today, what I would be requesting is all of the members that are there, please fix up H2H with one of the guests who's there. All right. Is it okay? Viren? Shall we do that? Yeah, because हम आपस में तो मिल लेंगे, but with the guests we'll not get a chance. So the way I want to do this, run this is, I'll ask, mention the name of the guest, and please raise your hand who are the inner circle member who would like to have the H2H with that person. Okay. If nobody is there, then either Rajesh or me will pick it up. Rajesh Budiraja. Okay. Rajesh, you are there, right? Okay. So first on my list is Sridevi. Who would like to have the one-to-one with Sridevi? Who will pick Sridevi for a one-to-one? Dharmishta? Otherwise, Rajesh?
मुझे बोलना है कि सिर्फ सुनना है?
नहीं, आपने हाथ खड़ा करा हुआ है ना? So this is not, next 8 minutes is only to fix H2H. Okay. And we have to make sure all guests are covered. So Dharmishta, you will talk to Sridevi?
हाँ, चलेगा.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. I'll talk to everybody.
Yeah, you have the numbers, right? Nilesh, you would like to talk to anyone from the group? Otherwise, we'll have Dharmishta talk to you. Nilesh?
Okay, I will. Yeah, I will talk with Mishra, sir.
Okay.
Great, Nilesh.
Please exchange your numbers
Amit,
on the chat.
I think we should ask the guest that you would
yeah.
want to talk to.
Yeah.
हाँ, पहले वो बताएंगे. अगर वो नहीं कर पाएंगे, then we'll give a default. Okay?
Because we have shared our profile also, so wherever they feel that they want to, they can.
All right. So, Ms. Komla Devi, you would like to connect with anyone in the inner circle member? Mr. Nagappa. Mr. Nagappa and Mr. Bhalerao. Please mention.
Since I'm totally new to this group, I will wait for some time, but my special interest in today's thing is our friend who is manufacturing and dealing with armed and baked grains. Thank you.
Who's that in manufacturing? Viren, okay.
No. I'm saying, can you please mute? There is a noise from the back. I think Vijay
Shah. Please mute Vijay Shah.
Nagappa Mallesh Garu, I will call you in the afternoon. We'll discuss about some processes into food manufacturing.
Right, sir. Right,
sure.
Sir. Thank you.
Even I would like to connect with Nagappa Malleshri. I have already spoken to him. 10 o'clock we have got an appointment.
Okay.
Beautiful,
Fine.
beautiful. Good. Ms. Komla Devi.
I connected Deepti Reddy, sir.
नहीं वो तो आपको जानते हैं और किससे मिलना चाहेंगे?
अभी तो पूरा नया है एंड नंबर 1 मेरे को थोड़ा इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आएंगे इसलिए थोड़ा मालूम मैं दीप्ति रेड्डी से मालूम कर लूंगी कौन कौन किसका है.
धर्मिष्ठा से बात करिए आप. धर्मिष्ठा आपको हिंदी में समझाएगा.
I will connect them if you don't mind.
धर्मिष्ठा.
D2D, don't worry.
Yeah, please take over. Yeah. Mr.
We
Bhalerao.
can have a talk also. We can talk in Telugu, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Please type in the chat box who is connecting with whom so that we have the record of it. Please type in the chat box as well. Okay.
Yeah,
Mr. Bhalerao.
Actually, I'm not.
Bhalerao is already our member.
Actually, I'm not the guest. I have been in NSSL meetings with Sonali many times, but of late, I would like to connect with Mr. Satya. I will call him.
Mr. Satya. Okay. Mr. Satya, please exchange your numbers on the chat box. We'll go to Sonali is a member, so we'll go to who is the next one? Rafi Mohammed. Mr. Rafi Mohammed, whom would you like to connect with?
I would like to connect with Rajesh ji.
राजेश जी. राजेश दो हैं हमारे में. एक राजेश पंडित हैं, राजेश बुद्धिराजन.
Rajesh Budhirajan.
Yes.
Rajesh Budhirajan. Okay. Please talk to each other. Please exchange in the chat box.
Sure.
Mr.
Sure.
Vijay Lakshmi. Jitinder, you joined late, but anyone you want to connect with?
Oh, actually, as a first session, I don't have any idea.
Now, I would like to help. I will help Vijay Lakshmi on our pricing issues. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hariyar.
So please, thanks, Mr. Hariyar. Please,
you.
inner circle member, please raise your hand to help other guests. So just exchange your numbers, please, Vijay and Hariyar. Jitinder.
I've already sent.
I want to connect to I forgot his name, but the person who has like that DG Gaud.
Satya ji. Satya ji.
Yes, welcome Saba. I've typed my phone number on the WhatsApp group the chat, so you are welcome, sir.
Okay. Then we have Prabhakar. You want to connect with anyone? No, I can't. Anybody else who's the inner circle member? You want to connect with anyone in the guest as such?
Yeah, I would like to connect with Rafi Mohammed, Hariyar Sharma. I would like to connect with Rafi Mohammed.
Harsha Sharma, sir. And
I would like to connect with Mr. Nagappa and Nilesh.
Okay. Please put in the chat box. Nagappa. Yeah.
I will speak to my old friend Nilesh Surana.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Please put in the chat box and fix time. Make sure you fix the time because we'll have this meeting after a couple of weeks. So please fix the time with each other as such. Anybody else from inner circle member want to connect with other guests?
I'll connect with Mrs. Joshi from Nashik.
All right. You have the numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Viren, you want to connect with someone? Are you on mute?
I am interested to connect with the Ayurveda manufacturer. I think Ms. Komla Devi, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. I was already mentioned. So please connect, exchange your numbers, and please call. Mr. Mishra.
Yeah.
किससे connect करेंगे आप?
मेरा तो था दीप्ति के साथ ही कनेक्ट करने का मन था क्योंकि आपने पहले कहा था दीप्ति connect to me. So I would like to speak to Dipti.
Yeah, fine, great. Dipti, I need to also connect with you definitely because there are some synergies.
Yes,
so we'll talk separately for sure.
In fact, it is pending for me also, Dipti. I have sent you an SMS. You have not replied to it.
Sorry. I'm really sorry.
People are there to help you out. Please open your doors. Okay, open your doors, and people are there to help you out. Okay, good. I think we got some H2H kind of plan for each other. Sonali, you have not done any H2H?
Yes, definitely. I would love to connect with Anand Pol sir and Rajesh Pandit sir. It is long pending back, so definitely I will contact him and we will do H2H.
Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you.
Good. All right. I think this part is done, the action session. We'll move back to our Vice President, Anand Polji, for the create session. Can you just take it away?
Unmute. Yeah.
Hello. Am I yeah, I'm audible. I'll
check with everyone that
for...
they have put their numbers in the chat box, please.
Please put your numbers in the chat box so that we can have the connects.
Yeah.
Mohammad Rafi, if you can send the WhatsApp number, because this number is only a calling number.
Give me WhatsApp number, sir.
Okay. Now it was an excellent session to introduce each other and get the connects in the action session. So Amit ji, it was really good to get connected with the people again. And now again, it is 2 weeks time to get connected. So let us give a target of at least 3 H2H to every inner circle member. I hope you'll agree to, please.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll hand over the session to Dipti ji. And now we come to the most valuable part of the meeting. This is called the create session. I invite Dipti ji to take us through her session and the knowledge we will be gaining through that.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. But someone help me with the sharing of the PPT slide.
So meanwhile, Amit ji, if someone can tell newcomers about the create session, what is this all about?
I would request Anand Polji or Harihar ji, who is expert. Harihar ji, can you explain the create session for others, please?
Yeah.
Harihar ji.
Yeah. The objective of creating the create session is that while we see that most of the large companies today that we see here are having a complete ecosystem, support system to help them nurture and develop their business. And whenever they face challenges, they have an array of consultants and within in-house people to help them support and scale up their business. This is not true for the solopreneurs. We don't even call them entrepreneurs because most of them are solopreneurs, and they work right from all the functions of HR to their entire business, right from funding to the marketing part they take care. And here is what we find, that in a day-to-day operation, we find a lot of challenges coming up their way in running their businesses. So here is a team of Inner Circle where we have an experienced team of with an average experience of over 3 decades into various functional areas. So what does this mean for the persons is that you have an access free of cost. इतने सारे टीम जो आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे और आपका बिजनेस को आगे लेके जाने के लिए, we are all here and committed as if it is your own business or our own business, and we are here to support you to grow. What do we do in our create session is just we have 5 slides. So basically we'll be in our create session we'll be talking about who the person is with whom we are going to interact, so the name of the person, and then the second one would be about the organization what do they represent, what are their features, advantages and benefits to the consumer for their product, what is their strength, weakness, opportunities and threat of their business, what is that one single challenge that they are facing in their business. Some people call them as problems, but we call them as challenges. And what is that one challenge that if we all address, the entire team will be here to give you inputs on this after they present. And if that one challenge is resolved for the person who's presenting, it could scale their business to the next level. So we are all here and committed to help the person to grow to the next level. With this, I invite Dipti Reddy to our create session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dipti, I've shared the presentation. Is it visible to all?
Yes.
Yeah. So please take 8 to 10 minutes to explain this thing, and then we'll open it up for on the challenge part. Okay.
Okay. So the topic which I wrote, impact creating green revenue models, I can brief that also, right? While I'm.
Yeah, you have 8-10 minutes, whatever is.
10 minutes, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Inner Growth, for giving such opportunity, and very wonderful connects, very dynamic people sitting even during pandemic time. And it really matters, your time, energy, which you are sharing here now. So briefly, I'll introduce myself. I'm, like I said, I'm an agri entrepreneur, serial eco-entrepreneur, I call myself, and I'm mostly into the social entrepreneurship. 2012, I began my first company journey. It's like I quit my MBBS, then I quit my civil services career. That's how I landed up again in, I mean, like it was by choice. I landed in social entrepreneurship because impact mattered to me a lot. I wanted to impact communities, people. As I grow, I wanted others to grow with me. That was the main thing. So like the first slide describes about me. So I'm currently the founder of an association, We Aim. Like I said, Women Energy Association of Incubators in Manufacturing, 2018, we have started it. It's not only me, we are a whole set of leaders, first generation entrepreneurs who themselves have undergone a lot of struggles and challenges in their own startups. So they didn't want others to fail. So these women, we came together and we are a set of like 10 to 14 leaders now and 3 core committee directors. We are first generation entrepreneurs. We support other entrepreneurs. You can go through the website later on, vm.org. Right now we are supporting 100 women manufacturers. Startup journey with us, also scale up, also reach the market. The similar way it flows into her market. It started in 2019, recent Diwali. We are aggregating all these women manufacturers after the COVID, especially they need a market. So we are trying to put them into a social commerce platform, Pan India. We are already aggregating 100 manufacturers in every state. So we are in the process of aggregating, honestly speaking, and giving white label orders for now. So this is what is going on in her market. We are that is also another startup and another story, because I have many startup stories to tell, but I chose only 3 major things which I have. So I am also the director strategy, though I'm the founder. One of our directors is also present in this session. She chose to be silent. So OG Natural Foods is the another core one of the startup which we are running. So like I said, since 2012, I have 8 years experience in these sustainable businesses, green business management. And I myself have consulted, worked, incubated and sold off also. Like 20 plus brands I have, eco brands in my experience list. But majorly my core strengths are natural food businesses, natural farming related businesses, and natural lifestyle related businesses. This is my core expertise. So having said that, yeah, one more minute on the slide. So I'm consciously like people speak about business, but this don't speak of environment plus business, not the business environment. How does our business impacts environment? So I am in that area. I bring conscious ecological activism into business. Till today, I have supported 2,000 plus women, also 1,000 farmers plus in this 7 years journey. And VM is supporting 100 women manufacturers. Like I said, her market is going to reach 1,000 women manufacturers. That impact I have written. I have great expertise in motivating women entrepreneurs, especially training them not only in the economic aspects, social, psychological, and spiritual aspects. I'm also a spiritual practitioner of meditations and healing processes, but I don't emphasize much unless into the business ecosystems. I tell them apply all this knowledge into the your business ecosystem. So this is what is about me. So can we go to the second slide? So today I have chosen, because I have to tell only one startup. Like I said, I incubate number of startups. My parent companies are shareholders in more than 8 companies today. I always believed my ideas sell in the market. One day I used to sell ideas. I always say ideas are goods. People don't think that only goods are goods, but ideas are goods actually. So I believed my ideas will sell in the market. That's how OG Natural Foods also started as a small idea to give a basket of good food to healthy mothers. And when I myself was a mother, I had to feed my baby with the organic palakura and all. We get spinach. I was searching for. That's how this basket model started in 2014 onwards, just as an idea. Then 16 and 18, it went into trading. Now the product features are today OG Natural Foods. We are calling it a social commerce platform. We are a food technology company, and we are adding innovation and value addition to natural food supply chain. So after COVID, everyone is having this, more health consciousness. They're searching for good foods, natural foods. But when it comes to B2B at the scale level, there is no enabler forum. So we are an enabler forum. We connect the natural supply and demand. We're also aggregating all these connections. So what is our product advantages? Like we said, we are just upcoming technology. I mean, we are building a technology which is organizing interaction. Now, till now in the country, there is no single platform which does this, like creating an interaction between the farmers, FPOs, FPCs, green manufacturers, green traders, whatever. And in this natural domain, there are different kinds of natural farmings again. Palekar, biodynamic, some people say organic, some people again say permaculture. There are many modalities of natural farming actually. The future, earlier the food was all natural. Again, we are going into the natural domain. So there is no single platform which creates a holistic ecosystem for interaction. Many people tried this, but at their own brand level. Like my brand is there, a big FMCG brand. I create an ecosystem for natural farmers. But here, our product advantage is we are creating an interaction between all natural stakeholders. So that is our advantage, product advantage. Customer benefit. Like I said, see, you get your natural food somewhere, you know some brand, but who is selling the brand? Where are they packing that? Where are they procuring from? You have an organic store nearby, for example, but did you ever think where are they getting their bulk patterns from? So we ease this natural food supply patterns in the bulk market. This startup, this technology platform startup focuses only on this, easing the natural food bulk patterns, buying and selling patterns. So what is a special advantage? My customers are B2B customers. For example, the new e-commerces. If you know, in COVID, around 530 plus e-commerces have been launched in one single city, in food, in essential commodities. So all these are the future B2B vendors. Now, technology has advanced, and everyone is going into tech models. Even we, from a store nearby Kirana to our home, we need a delivery now. So all these e-commerces which are dealing with food and natural food are my new vendors. My business is target audience is not an individual customer. Honestly, it is a B2B supplier. So this supplier, we can reduce the business costs. Retailers, traders, wholesalers. That is what we do. Yeah, this platform does. So like I said, our strength is when Usha is there in this session. We have a very passionate team of founders and co-founders, be it operations, be it logistic and quality control. I myself am the founder with expertise of 7+ years in natural farming. I even work from a 15th year on, I started going to the farms, interacting with farmers, communities, worked with many NGOs. In fact, later on worked with corporate companies as a consultant actually. Then I evolved myself into startup entrepreneurs and startup entrepreneur and all. So like that, we have a passionate team of founder and co-founders. This model is have proven minimum viability product. It is not a, is it proven? No, it is already proven. Everyone eats food. When COVID came, we didn't run for jewelry shop or car shop. We all wanted food first, and good food, immunity food. And this model is already we are having traction in our brand. This is a minimum viable product. Next, we have
your voice was breaking, Deepti. Can you repeat the last sentence? Can you repeat the last sentence and start? Now it's clear.
Or maybe if you are
so like I said, our another
strength with network, you can switch off your camera also, because there is a lot of disturbance.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
So our another strength is we have access to this wide network. Like I said, a lakh farmers, natural domain, I myself have access. So all these green manufacturers, whoever working, this is a network access we have at the supply chain level. Next, we have innovative in-house manufactured products also. With all the past experiences of these farmers, FPOs, processed foods, whatever, women manufacturers experience, we also have some in-house products which are rare, unique across the globe. So these all are our strengths which are going, not only R&D, we are already in the prototyping and traction stage also. Coming to our weakness. Because we evolved our retail model, and we evolved ourselves in the technology model. When though we know what to do with this technology, what are the applications big it could impact, but we have strategic technology mentorship. Opportunities. It's a distribution country. And food industry supply chain actually
breaking.
Hit any industry, but it will change. Also natural lifestyle. Pardon?
Your Wi-Fi is weak. I think the other weakness are okay, but your Wi-Fi is weak right now.
Hello.
Your Wi-Fi is weak.
Deepti, can you restart from weakness onwards? Restart from weakness onwards, because we couldn't hear the explanation.
Yeah, please. Deepti, you're there?
Oh, hi everyone. This is Usha.
Yeah, please, Usha, can you take over while she comes back? Thanks for coming.
Yeah. So our weakness is mainly we lack strategic technology mentorship. I mean, we are more into agriculture, nature. So we lack the technology part.
Okay.
So that accounts our major weakness. And like in food business and all, opportunities are very heavy. As many years as human is alive, food is necessary. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please continue.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, madam, if you are there, can you please
continue on that opportunities.
No, ma'am, you continue.
Deepti, please take over from the opportunities. I think you got Usha. You got Usha to give weakness, and now you're coming to opportunities. That's good strategy.
Usha is my strength. She is my team. I have many teams built over many startups. So yeah, thank you, Usha. So this particular technology model is easily.
Again, opportunity.
I think
Usha, you take over, please.
Yeah,
I feel they need to first work on their weakness. That is internet, proper internet.
Like I said,
Usha, please take over on opportunities and threats because you can't hear Deepti. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. See, food industry supply chain is, it is recession proof. It is alive as many years as human is alive. So that is our greatest opportunity. And also because of COVID, everything, people started focusing, or people became more aware on natural lifestyle. Rather than organic also, people started more preferring more of a natural kind of lifestyle. Now we are capturing that part as capturing that, and then we are launching new concept baskets, etc. Also, this model is easily scalable. In agriculture, how even if 10 supply chain companies are there.
Usha, can you go a little faster so that we can come to the core weakness later on? Yeah, please. Thank you.
Yeah. In agriculture marketing, even if 10 companies, supply chain companies are there, our model is easily scalable because there is huge potential. That is also our greatest opportunity. And our major threats would be this changes in government policies. Also pollution and environmental changes that work against natural farming. To convert chemical farmers into natural farmers, it's too difficult in this commercial space, in this commercial market also. Also, we have industry threats, like we are a startup, some kind of industry threats we are been facing past 6 months.
And I'll tell you that part. Technology disrupts very quickly, like ideas. So every time technology keeps on evolving. So that is our biggest threat. So our technology should always be adaptable, and that is what she was mentioning actually. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Yeah. So game changer of OG Natural Foods is, like we said, we need a only one point ask is we need a strategic technology partner. One who could believe in this food journey, food ecosystem journey, also who could build an in-house technology for us. So our technology will include some components like blockchain, which is, for the traceability and all this product authenticity, and AI, artificial intelligence, which will map the suppliers and buyers at a huge scale, because we are talking about big scale now. FPCs, FPOs are evolving ecosystem, even latest farmer bill and all, how much the future of farming is different actually. The future farmers are either cooperative farmers or corporate farmers. There will be no farmer's son becoming a farmer, very rare cases. So corporate ecosystems and cooperative ecosystems, they have to be addressed. So this scale, when we talk of a scale of technology, we need these artificial intelligence components in that, mapping the buyer and seller. So my only ask is, We need a very, very efficient software company or a technology company with such expertise. Have already been social commerce, or where we already have a prototype of the layouts. We already have a buyer ecosystem, seller ecosystem, collaborator ecosystem aggregated, and some prototype modality we have. We are not with zero. Already some 5 to 10 lakhs we have spent on the technology. We like under researching also, you can say altogether. So like 2 lakh, 3 lakh we have spent on the website also. And our business is already spent 15 plus 20 lakh, 20 plus lakh. We are also making a turnover of monthly 2 lakh, 1.5 to 2 lakh. So this is our status currently. We have a team, we have office, we have warehouses, we have very good founders and co-founders. We have our own working capital. We are generating our money. So all we want is a very good technology company who can build a strategic product for us.
Okay, thank you.
A sellable strategic.
Mr. Hariharji, can you just coordinate this session, please, for us, for the great session?
Yeah, well, now team that she has, I feel we can put this presentation switched off so that we can invite all our, how this would move forward. So here we have a team of experienced people with over 30 years of experience. So we would like our team members who are present here to please raise hands in the participation list who would like to contribute or give certain inputs to Dipti, which could take her business forward. So please I mean, will not be able to give the complete details here right now, but at least a brief could be shared here, and then one-to-one could be done with the person for a greater in-depth knowledge on that. So any member who would like to give an input on this could first raise hands in the participation list so that we could allow them to unmute and speak.
Can you repeat, Dipti, the challenge statement?
Yeah, our challenge is strategic technology product. So we need a technology company which can build us this product at an in-house cost or their own investment, and which involves blockchain technologies and artificial intelligence majorly. So because we are dealing with the whole supply chain system of the Indian ecosystem, so it needs a scale, always a scale and an evolution and adaptability, so that even when disruption happens, some new technologies come up, our platform shouldn't become on next 2 years, it should not be, not adaptable or something like that. So
basically our challenge is you're looking for equity partnership into information technology with people in expertise in app and other development with complete latest infrastructure and development with high scalability. That's what I understand. Is it right?
Not app is not mandated. Not all farmers.
But because you're connected with B2B, they will need this, not your farmers, but the B2B will need it. Okay.
Yeah, we need a technology partner.
Yeah, so you will need a technology partner
with an equity model. They can enter our company.
So basically, first of all, a nice, well-presented presentation. I would like the members first to raise hands in the participation list, and then we take it from there. Anyone would like to contribute? I don't see any participation. Yes, Atul Puri has raised. Or that is okay. That is you only, Amit Chawla. Virendra Ingle. Okay, let us start with Virendra Ingle. Yes, Virendra Ingle.
Yeah. So, Dipti, the presentation was excellent, and the profile, which I have seen it earlier also, and it is definitely something which is inspiring. See, I have few connects. In fact, in our forum also we have people those who are into development of softwares and apps or maybe AI. So I'll try and connect. I'm really not sure whether they are okay with the equity model or not, but I'll help you. Means today we are going to connect, so we will discuss in detail. My only question here is, you are only looking for an equity partner, or you're okay somebody create it and give it to you?
We are not okay because we've tried all those models. We burnt our hands enough in the capitals also. So we want someone who owns this product. So they have the pain of sharing the costs, because we are already sharing working capital capital, manufacturing capital, everything, fixed capitals. So we want a technology partner with technology capital.
Understood.
So that they don't fail the product, then they own the product. We have already tried cost models.
Okay.
So it was not so
So,
successful.
sure, no problem. So we will connect one-to-one and we'll discuss in detail. And I need to check with the company whether they are okay with it.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, next Amit Chawla, I feel.
Yeah.
Amit Chawla,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, Deepti, thanks for the presentation. It was nicely done, actually. Well presented. So I'll like to have a one-to-one and HOH with you, because I'm also coaching some of the tech entrepreneurs who are into blockchain and AI. And let's see if there is something can be done over there. But I'll need to have an understanding of what exactly would you be looking for, because then I can pass that message to my clients and see if that helps. That's one. Second thing I wanted to mention is, as you are growing, do you have an advisory board with you? Who is advising?
Yeah, technical fund we have, like agriculture, natural farming side, we have enough advisors. The other part we don't have, probably business expansion, scaling. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I've seen, some of the companies I've coached also, good ones, what they have done is surrounded themselves with 5 or 6 advisors, strategic advisors. So there's no cost to it unless they use different services. To cover different aspects of the business. Like there's a company called Muskan Dreams, if you know, it's again to social entrepreneurship. And this guy, young guy, he has got very good advisory board. He got, let's say, he got one person from the government, from Madhya Pradesh government official, NIOS officer in his advisory board. He got one serial entrepreneur into the advisory board. He got another marketing person who is working in MNC in the advisory board. Then he got me and my wife also, part of the advisory board too, from a professional point of view, how to operate. So he surrounded himself with, some 8-10 very strong, different type of people, and who's advising him to grow. Okay. So if technology is going to become a key part, you may also look at having somebody who's like in your advisory board to advise on how to take things forward. Okay.
Sure. Thank you for the input. I'll keep that.
So yeah, so that is what I could think of right away, and we'll connect over, have a H2H and take it forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other member would like to contribute right now to Deepti? Okay, now I feel Deepti, you will have a lot of, now most of our members have understood your business. Deepti, you would have a lot of one-to-one with requests also coming up on the chat box. Who would like to connect with you to know more, because it's a very short time to understand you. In fact, I had invested 3 hours with you the other day to just understand what you're doing. Okay, so what I understand is, Deepti, is that you could connect with Atul Puri, who's the founder of this platform also. He has started right from scratch. He's a man with real connects and real thing. Unfortunately, he's not here today, but he would be the right connect where you could work a lot on your weakness. That is your strategic technology mentorship and evolution where you need there. So there he could contribute and help you with all his connects, and he himself is a big giver. So I feel you can connect with him to a large extent on this. We are all here to help you. Maybe not at this moment right now here in this, but we are now completely aware about the challenge that you're seeking, and we are here to contribute on this area.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Over to you. Yeah.
Mr. Vijay Shah has raised
Vijay from Mumbai. We are in the field of energy healing, like you are also in the field of spirituality. We do the plotting of energy through your very numerical information. I will connect with you personally. Okay, we'll take it ahead.
Okay.
Working with the lot of global celebrities today. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
I feel over to you, Amit.
Yeah. And one more point I forgot, Deepti, to check. Are you in touch with some incubators or accelerator programs to look for this mentorship, or you're not tried that?
See, actually, running a women association, we're also driving some accelerator incubator programs as far as manufacturing is concerned. But agri incubators, agri accelerators are very few. one or two in the country. And actually, there are no well-defined programs. Honestly, you can go through the entire country's accelerator programs. In agriculture, there are very little. So they only call me sometimes as speaker or something to share my experiences, even manage NABARD. So I'm stuck with, I need someone more expert in the.
Have you contacted Deshpande Forum from Karnataka Hubli?
Yeah, that I wanted to. Last year I missed Deshpande and one more. I have to connect.
I'll do one thing.
That connections will help actually. Agri incubators.
I'll share one number with you who has recently joined, and he was my colleague in Aurangabad, and previously also he was with Deshpande. So I'm sure he'll be able, and he is a very expert manager in the incubation strategies.
Yeah. Even Atul incubator, any connection that will.
Yeah, he is Mr. Mahesh Katale. He was with us, and now he is again with Deshpande's. So I'll share his number with you.
Sure, Anandji, I'll take that from.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. I think anybody else wants to share something for Deepti? All right. Okay. Thanks, Deepti. We'll be in touch with you and take things forward. Good. So I think we are done with the overall session. I just wanted to make sure we have the H2H planned with each person. Somebody or other is connected. Is there anyone in the guest list who has no H2H planned or the one-to-one planned with a member? Please unmute and share with me, because we want to make sure we are connected even between these sessions, right? So that connection should continue as such. So anyone who's not have any H2H fixed, the guest list. Everyone has got it? And please, the Inner Circle members, when you're having the sessions with guests in your one-to-one or H2H, please help the person out how you can help or how the Inner Circle members can help. As such, please make sure that is done and keep us posted on the progress on it.
And those who have some doubts, just a minute, Amit.
Yeah.
They can connect either with you or me, so that we'll be able to connect them to the concerned person in case if they have not understood the things properly.
Yes.
Amit, we would also like to hear from the guests how they have.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we'll the main thing is over. We'd like to hear from guests. How did they feel about this session that has gone through? I'll start asking from Komala Devi.
Next time, sir, I am talking 1 minute. Next time, मेरे बगैर मेरा husband बात कर सकते हैं?
कोई भी आ सकता है.
Actually,
सब welcome है. आप दोनों भी आ सकते हैं.
Totally, I am Telugu medium. So हिंदी बात करता हूँ. English जो भी है, आप समझ में थोड़ा अगर mistakes होते बोल के ये है. Actually, मैं बहुत experience product का है. मेरा product ऐसा है कि only hair care and skin care का product 30 years in expert. In Canada में भी मैं थोड़ा सीख के आए. बटर इंग्लिश ऐसा उधर भी सेल से एस्ट्रिक ब्यूटी क्लिनिक में अभी 5 years से मैं बहुत नाम आए थे वेनिका हर्बल हेयर केयर बोल के. जस्ट 7th March को मेरे को मिनिस्टर अवार्ड मिला एंड वी हैव एक इसमें 600 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में 18 सिलेक्शन हुआ. 18 में वेनिका हर्बल हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट इज number आए थे. So
that is excellent. That's a very excellent thing. And Viren ji आपसे मिलेंगे. आपसे Viren, you are going to be in touch with her, right? So it will be a very good connect.
सब आप लोग बड़े एक्सपीरियंस का इंग्लिश. मेरा हस्बैंड आर्मी रिटायर कैप्टन ओरिएंटल इंश्योरेंस जनरल मैनेजर. ही वाज इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. अभी इसका पूरा वेनिका का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उन्हें थोड़ा और मीटिंग पे दूसरे में नीचे है वेबिनार में.
कोमला देवी जी कोई चिंता ना करें. मैं आपसे बात करूंगा. मुझे बहुत अच्छी हिंदी आती है. सो आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा. मे बी आज या कल में हम डिस्कस करेंगे.
आगे कैसे होता है देखते हैं जी.
Language is just a barrier. We got several people who can speak Telugu also and who can
English
connect
में
with
बता रहे
them. No
वापस से.
problem. No
आप
problem.
हिंदी में बताइए.
Okay.
Liking मेरे लाए and slowly is there और ये all over world में गए थे अमेरिका कल slow में गए अभी पूरा 1% little bit gone.
कोमला जी, प्लीज आप बताइए कि आज का जो सेशन है उसमें आपको कैसा लगा? वी एक्सपेक्ट आपसे
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर.
वो अपेक्षा है आपसे कि आज का सेशन आपने अटेंड किया पहली बार, आपको वो कैसा लगा? वो आपको यूजफुल लगा या नहीं लगा?
100%. Why not sir? So सबका एक टीम का बिजनेस है एंड सब कनेक्ट कर सकती हूँ मैं एंड मैडम के साथ साथ उषा शर्मा इज क्या बोलते हैं वो प्योर ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट है, उनका भी यूज होंगे, उनसे मैं 1-to-1 कलेक्शन करेंगे बोल के सोच रहे थे. बाकी के लोग थोड़ा समझते हैं नहीं समझते हैं इसलिए.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'd like to ask Jitendra Joshi. Your feedback from the session.
मेरे तरफ कुछ क्षमा करना.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
No, don't worry about that.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jitendra Joshi. From my side, it was very awesome to connect with good, like-minded resources who are into networking. But the one thing from my side was missing. It was like 45 seconds you gave me for introduction, which was, and I was behind the timeline, so I could not introduce. So better next time I'll introduce. But overall experience, a very good resource network is there. Good people are there, and for networking, it will be a great and awesome platform for each and everyone to grow globally. And there are, while discussing, there are a lot of things that I thought that we can also contribute in agri entrepreneurship, DG entrepreneurship, edu entrepreneurship. A lot of things I have done, but the timeline is the thing. Overall experience is good. Best
Very
wishes for this.
So, Jitendra ji, don't worry.
Maharashtra. Jitendra ji.
Haan ji, sir.
You're from Aurangabad, Maharashtra?
Yes, Aurangabad.
So I am also stationed at Aurangabad, so we can have a connect with each other.
Sure. Kindly share your number. Yes.
Yeah.
Please share the number in the chat box because
I have already shared in the chat box.
आप store कर लेना number please, otherwise it will lose the number.
So, one more
just
time
to add,
possibly-
Jitendra ji, when you are saying that you are getting 45 seconds or limited time, so the request is that so that get everyone time to speak, and that's the reason we have to write even if it is required, but speak the crisp and the brief introduction about
Specific which we were to communicate.
Yeah, thank you. Mr. Nilesh, you are there.
Sir, it's amazing. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I love to contribute. I will contribute to maximum people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whom are you going to connect with? H2H किनका है इनके साथ? Who's Mishra?
Dipti and Vijay said. So I will Dipti, Vijay and Mishra.
Okay. You have the
By
numbers.
the way, Amit Chawla ji, Nilesh Surana is an international expert in the communication.
Beautiful.
I don't know present, but he has been part of the landmark worldwide, the global education body, giving the transformation technology. So definitely we must have the Nilesh Surana in our bouquet of e-growth in the circle.
Beautiful. I'll
Nilesh
like
ji
to
baat
connect with
karenge
you,
iske liye.
Nilesh. Yeah, I'll have your number, so I'll connect with you also.
Yes. Please, Amit ji.
All right. Thank you. Anybody else want to share? Nagappa, Malaysia.
We have Vijay Lakshmi also.
Vijay Lakshmi.
Thanks,
And
sir.
up.
Nagappa. I'm happy that there are food processing entrepreneurs and who are actually engaged in it. As you know, food processing is a sunrise industry. Government is supporting, and millets are going to get prominence. 2023 is considered as an international year of millets. So I will be happy to associate with some of our colleagues here who have already contacted me, and we will interact and we will do whatever is needed, sir. Thank you.
Dipti, it will be good connect with Nagappaji for you.
Yeah, I already wanted to talk to him actually.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have also given my connect. I would also connect with them.
Yeah.
You have their number, right? So, Usha and Vijay Lakshmi, your inputs. How did you feel about the session today? Vijay Lakshmi?
Hi all. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a really wonderful experience to meet all you people. I'm going to connect with Harihara Sharma Garu in one-to-one session regarding my concerns, and with the experience shared today, I would like to evolve as a giver very soon than from the position of taker today.
Okay, good.
You're already a giver.
You're giving to society anyways, right? So that's
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. And
आपके नाम में विजया भी है, लक्ष्मी भी है. विजय लक्ष्मी जी.
It's Vijay Lakshmi. It's Vijay Lakshmi.
तो वही है ना, विजय भी हो गया, लक्ष्मी भी हो गया ना. तो क्या चाहिए? लक्ष्मी पर विजय पा लिया तो सब कुछ पा लिया.
Sridevi,
Yeah.
you raise your hand. You want to speak? Or by mistake, it has been raised. We can't see you. Usha, you've been silent, silently listening and hearing. Any feedback from you about the session? Usha?
I mean, your voice is very low.
I said, Usha, are you there? Am I audible? Anand?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Yeah. Usha ji,
Hello,
yes.
I'm there.
Yeah. Your feedback about the session today?
I'm
Dipti is
sorry,
smiling.
your voice.
Dipti is smiling.
Rather, we can ask Dipti what is her overall take on this today's session. Dipti, you can speak for her.
You're on mute.
Dipti, you're on mute. Dipti, you're on mute. Dipti, mute. You're on mute.
Unmute.
Usha's feedback, let Usha give. My feedback is, though I am new, I see there are a lot of network scope of connections here. At the same time, I felt new people engagement. Actually, little brief up should be given before, I think, one day before. Suppose I am a newcomer, I should give them. Actually, I should have given to my guests. Sorry. Something like that, we have to add more value. And as a speaker, I thought that's...
Yeah, good suggestion that if you give your challenges one day before, people will prepare more better to help you.
Even
So
Usha, I
people
should
can
have
come with
prepared.
order next time.
We got it late last night, right? So I couldn't share.
I just called them and one thing. So other thing is topic and session should be separated, because see, I have subject matter expertise. I can tell more on why impact, what is the social model, what revenue models you all can, someone else can start at this pandemic era. I could have guided. But now create session is small session, obviously. So these two topics and create should never be mixed. I could speak nothing on the topic. It is okay. I mean, like that is one input I'll give. Next time, my notes, we should not put the topic in the create. Create session
Next
is only
time,
about my
next time knowledge, we'll give you a complete knowledge session completely.
So probably I'll add here, Dipti. See, basically we have a industry connect where you was there on Tuesday, or maybe we can keep a separate time for it. And I was about to say that then we can do an industry connect. The next industry connect or upcoming industry connect. So you give the entire detail about, you get an opportunity to talk for almost
No
5
problem
minutes.
about opportunity of my talking. My issue was
No,
when
I'm
I
not
share,
saying
people
that
will
it is.
expect they will listen from me. Na? So some people might join to listen only to the topic. So that will create a, but I was telling about my business here. So that too should not be mixed. So when I share in the social media, people might think they came to listen to me today, for example. But I
Right.
told only about my one business. So that I am telling. Not
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood. Right.
Thank you.
Mr. Mohammed Rafi, I like the name itself.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Hi, everybody. I'm Mohammed Rafi. Basically, I'm having fastings actually. I sleep until 10 o'clock. Deepti Reddy sent me this request. I get 3 alarms to wake up and attend this meeting, this beautiful meeting, sir. Thank you for adding me in this meeting. Thank you so much.
Somebody else having an exchange with you, Mr. Rafi.
2 persons, Mr. Brijesh and Mr. Harihara Sharma. Thank you,
I think
sir.
Amit Sridevi would like to say something. She has raised her hand.
Sridevi has raised her hand, but she's not speaking. Sridevi, please unmute because the meeting is over. You can now.
Amit, there is something really wrong with the audio of yours, right? Amit.
हाँ मेरा वो खराब हो गया है.
Hi all.
Am I audible now? Yes, Sridevi, you are audible.
Hey, first of all, I want to thank you, Deepti, for giving the opportunity to meet all you great.
Sridevi, be louder.
Okay now?
Yeah, speak.
Yeah, I want to thank Deepti for giving the opportunity to attend this meet where I can meet so many good people or intelligent people, or you can say all successful people. Because I was attending all the finance meeting for last 15 years, and this is the first time I attended any business meet. And I'm very happy to attend this meeting. Thank you, Deepti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Thank you. Anybody else wants to say anything? Otherwise, we are done.
Yes, Amit, before we leave, we can finalize a date with Deepti for her industrial connect where she can speak on one of the Tuesdays. So according to the slot, I feel Anand Pool can see and allot one date for her.
Yeah, we'll definitely look into that. And we'll have a separate communication with her about fixing her either in the knowledge session or with the industry connect. Sure. Thank you, Harit.
All right. I think we are done for the day. I'll just play the that same music again for all your reference because people liked it, and then we'll close it. All right. So listen to this video, and let's listen to this. All right.
Happy and healthy days to all of you over there.
तेरी है ज़मीन है तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर.
तेरी है ज़मीन है तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर.
All right.
Thank you. Very good.
Thank you, everyone. We'll close the meeting. Keep safe, get the vaccination done. And, those who are unwell, please get well soon. And I'll see you in the second Friday of next month. All right. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.